Looking for the best rotary hammer drill for concrete, masonry, and heavy-duty construction work in 2026? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best rotary hammer drills of 2026 based on power, durability, performance, user reviews, and overall value for money. Whether you're a professional contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or someone tackling demanding renovation projects, there's a perfect rotary hammer drill on this list for you. We'll break down the key features, pros, and cons, and help you choose the best option for your needs and budget. Be sure to watch until the end to see our top pick. And if you want to check the latest prices or learn more about any of the products featured in this video, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started with the top 5 best rotary hammer drills of 2026. 5. Electric Goddess DDC007. Upgrade your toolbox with the brushless cordless rotary hammer drill 26mm, engineered for powerful performance and maximum convenience. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor, this electric hammer delivers stronger power, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional motors. The 4-speed adjustment system allows precise control for drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling across concrete, brick, wood, and metal surfaces. Designed to be compatible with DEWALT 20-volt batteries, this cordless rotary hammer offers exceptional mobility for construction professionals, renovators, and DIY enthusiasts. With its durable build, ergonomic grip, and impressive 26mm drilling capacity, this versatile power tool is the perfect solution for demanding jobs both on-site and at home. 4. DECO DKRH26XL80ST. Take on the toughest drilling and demolition jobs with the DECO rotary hammer drill, engineered for power, durability, and efficiency. Featuring a high-performance 600 to 1000 watts motor, this versatile tool delivers impressive drilling strength with an impact frequency of up to 5500 BPM and 3.0 J of impact energy per stroke, making it ideal for concrete, masonry, wood, and metal applications. Built with a rugged, durable construction, the DECO hammer drill is designed to withstand demanding job site conditions while ensuring long-lasting reliability. Its lightweight and portable design provides comfortable handling and easy transportation, reducing user fatigue during extended projects. Plus, the included 6-piece accessory kit gives you everything needed to tackle a wide range of drilling tasks right out of the box. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the DECO rotary hammer drill delivers the power and performance you can trust. 3. Makita DHR171Z. Experience powerful and efficient drilling performance with the Makita HR140D 18-volt LXT brushless SDS Plus rotary hammer. Equipped with an advanced brushless motor, this compact rotary hammer delivers up to 680 RPM, 4,800 impacts per minute, and 1.2 joules of impact energy for fast and precise drilling in concrete, masonry, and other tough materials. Its electronically controlled brushless motor intelligently adjusts torque and speed to match application demands while maximizing battery efficiency for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. Designed for comfort and productivity, the HR140D features a vibration-absorbing handle, ergonomic 273mm compact body, variable speed trigger, and built-in LED work light for enhanced visibility. The durable brushless design eliminates carbon brushes, allowing cooler operation, greater efficiency, and longer tool life. With 2-mode operation, rotation only and hammering with rotation, and a convenient one-touch sliding SDS Plus chuck for quick bit changes, this rotary hammer is an ideal choice for professionals and DIY users seeking reliable performance and versatility. 2. DEWALT DCH273. Experience professional-grade concrete drilling with the DEWALT DCH273 20-volt 6.0 amp-hour brushless SDS Plus rotary hammer. Engineered with a powerful brushless motor and delivering 2.1 J of impact energy, this high-performance rotary hammer provides fast, efficient drilling in concrete, brick, and masonry. The SDS Plus chuck system ensures quick bit changes, while the 360-degree adjustable side handle offers maximum control and comfort in any working position. Featuring stepless variable speed control and multiple operating modes for drilling, hammer drilling, and light chiseling, the DCH273 adapts easily to a wide range of construction and renovation tasks. Its lightweight, ergonomic design and vibration reduction technology help reduce user fatigue during extended use, making it the perfect choice for contractors, builders, and serious DIY enthusiasts seeking power, precision, and reliability. 1. Bosch GBH18D experience powerful drilling performance with the compact 18-volt one-chuck rotary hammer, engineered for professionals and DIY users alike. Featuring an innovative one-chuck system, it supports SDS Plus, cylindrical, and hex drill bits, making it ideal for a wide range of drilling and hammering applications. Advanced kickback control enhances safety by instantly stopping the motor if sudden tool rotation is detected, helping reduce the risk of injury. The lightweight and compact design ensures exceptional comfort during extended use while delivering full performance even with an 18-volt 2.8-hour battery. Equipped with a robust brushless motor, this rotary hammer maintains continuous power output and constant speed for maximum efficiency. Additionally, vibration control technology minimizes vibrations through vibration-absorbing pulsation, providing greater user comfort and protection during demanding tasks. Whether you're working on concrete, masonry, wood, or metal, this versatile rotary hammer is built to deliver reliable power, precision, and safety. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best rotary hammer drills of 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tool for your next project, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. All the product links mentioned in this video are available in the description below, making it easy for you to check current prices, read customer reviews, and learn more about each model. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.